I'm James Tyson Jr., Sergeant in the United States Army. I was in National Guard for 5 years, and then I went active in '96, stationed in Germany with the 130th Engineer Brigade, 94th Engineer Battalion. I got out in the end of August, beginning of September. I get skittish pretty easy now, and irritable due to just things that I've seen in Iraq and just things that just pop up around this area. It just brings me back to Iraq again. And I've been dealing with that ever since I've been back. When I found out what I was going to do on the bulldozer, my throat dropped, and it was pretty much a reality shock, man. Things came in as like, what did I get myself into? A lot of it I can't talk about. Some of the stuff is the people that were killed and the means of doing it. Our men that were killed. Just and other things that I've seen, and there's questions that we don't know about. It's just a group of things that is just built up, and questions that we had that were never asked or never answered. I was upset about leaving my soldiers in Iraq. I was getting to train them pretty well, where they knew quite a bit, and I was getting really proud of some of them. And then after I left, one of them was killed, which really hurt. So so now I think about it all the time, wishing I just never left. I should have came home with the rest of my unit.
Can you explain?
It's post-traumatic stress disorder. It's a various amount of pretty much everything. Anxiety, shakes, nightmares, flashbacks, change of moods like in an instant. I don't know, it's hard to explain. There's so much to it. I don't know what's real anymore. I'm just dealing one day at a time. Sometimes I just really have real bad days, and other times I have okay days.